guys, welcome back to my video. We are gonna be planting at Easter time, but tomorrow we're gonna be actually celebrating Easter because then my mom has more time to fill up all of the eggs and get stuff for the eggs. So I'm gonna plant.
Why are you using my lidocaine patches?
So you're gonna take a cup, and then you're gonna have the bowl full of dirt, like this. Okay. Dad, I need your help. Back to my video. We are going to be planting some corn. So I have 3 cups, so we're gonna add 2 to 3, all of the 3 ones, so it makes 6. And we're gonna plant 6 corn. Some corn. So first we're gonna take the cup, and then we're gonna take the big bowl of dirt, and then take the cup, and then you don't need to fill it all the way to the top. Well, you don't do that, and then you just shake it, or you can just take your fingers and then do that. And then you pat it down like this.
Looks like you've made a mess down there.
No, that was from yesterday.
Oh, and you guys didn't clean it up?
Yeah.
We will.
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
Until it's like this. And then you open up the corn. Oops. And, ooh, those are weird. So these are the corn seeds.
Are we driving in here, Mom?
Okay.
You're gonna take 2, and then you're gonna, I gotta plant it down a little bit more. Pat it down a little more. So then 1 and 2. And no, not the water yet. And then I'm gonna take some more dirt and come back down. We'll come back down and then take some more dirt, put it in there, and then we're gonna pat it. A little more. Pat, pat, pat. Then, finally, and we're gonna put on some water.
What do you need water for?
Oh, for them to grow.
Oh. Did I just eat it?
No,
Looks like I ate it.
it's just sinking.
I was just thinking.
Yeah. My voice changed a little there.
Okay, I think that's plenty of water. Though.
Yeah. Oh no, my
And
dad
then what
has
else does it need?
Nothing.
It doesn't need anything else to grow? Then why do you have them up there by the window?
Oh,
Because what else does it need?
sunlight.
Mm-hmm.
So we actually wrote corn and the date, like a different, we don't know. Okay.
Why do you do that?
Because then you know when to take the corn out.
Oh, and plant it outside?
Yeah.
And also so you know that it's corn, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because at the
Down
beginning, a lot of plants kind of look the same, huh? Till they get bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because they are just like a little sprout.
Yep.
Okay, now we're gonna do that.
Put it in the sun.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the same sun, and then we're gonna do that over again.
And
Over
again.
over again.
And again.
And again.
And again. Okay. Well,
Bye. Well, we'll see you next time. Goodbye.